Hi everyone, welcome to Badgujar Sir Maths channel, and today we are going to discuss about 12th Science Mathematics Paper 1. Now chapter number 1, Mathematical Logic. According to new syllabus, there are 7 topics in this chapter. Let's discuss. First one is statement and its truth value. Second is logical connectives and compound statements, truth tables, negation of statements and compound statements. Fourth one, statement pattern, logical equivalence. Fifth one, tautology, contradiction and contingency. Sixth one, quantifiers and quantified statements, also duality. Seventh one, application of logic to switching circuits and switching tables. Okay, now today we are going to discuss or we are going to cover the first topic, that is statement and its truth values, as well as exercise 2.1. Now what is meant by logic? The logic is a science of accurate reasoning or thinking. It consists of the rule and in drawing correct conclusion given from information. As in the case of every subject, logic has its own vocabulary. Now statement. First point is statement. Definition of statement. A declarative sentence which is either true or false but not both simultaneously is called a statement, or is also called as proposition in a logic. The statements are usually denoted by a small letters, that is small p, small q, small r, etc. Sentence which are incomplete or imperative, interrogative or exclamatory or suggestive or are not taken as a statement. Then which statements become a which sentence become a statement? Here the declarative sentence which is either true or false, it become a statement. Or we can say that sentences whose answer is either yes or no type or true or false type, then those sentences are called as a statement. It's very simple. A simple sentence is either yes or no type, or its answer is either true or false form, then it become a statement. If the sentence is statement, then it has two truth values. Then what is meant by truth value of the statement? A statement is either true or false. It has two truth value, either true or false. Okay, but it not shown simultaneously both. See, the truth or falsity of a statement is called the truth value of the statement. If a statement is true, then its truth value is true and it is denoted by capital T. And second point is, if a statement is false, then its truth value is false and it is denoted by capital F. F means false and capital T means the statement is true. Next part is, consider the following sentences. For example, Delhi is a capital of India. Yes, it is a statement and which is true. Second is, the sum of two odd integers is an odd integer. Yes, this is also statement and which is this is also statement and which is false. Why? Because of odd integers. For example, 2. So for example, 3 and 5. Consider two odd integers 3 and 5. Their addition is 8. It is not odd. So its truth value is false. Next one is, sit down. It is not a statement. X plus 3 is equal to 5. See the question, example number 4. X plus 3 is equal to 5. This is an open sentence. This is an open sentence because of x is unknown here. Suppose we consider x is 2, then it is true, means 2 plus 3 is 5. But x is any number except 2, then it is false. So this is an open sentence, hence it is not a statement. Next one is, please come here. This is also not a statement. Which is which is your examination going to start? This is not a statement. Next one is, what is terrible accident it is? This is also not a statement. Okay. Now next part is, consider the following in terms of equation, that is in variable form. It is a linear equation, 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. For x equal to 6, it is true. See, 2 into 6, 12, 12 minus 12 is equal to RHS. Okay, but for other than 6, it is not true. Means suppose x equal to 1, 2, 3, except 6, it is not true. Such sentences is called as open sentences, and the open sentence is not a statement. Next one is, for example, second, he is tall. This is also not a statement. Okay, here we cannot determine its truth value. So this statement is also called as open. This sentence is also called as open sentence. Now, third example is, mathematics is an interesting subject. Second is, it is black in color. Now I am talking about example number 3. Mathematics is an interesting subject. For example, Ram has interest in mathematics. He likes mathematics too much. But Gaurav has no interest in maths. So its truth values is varies to person. Okay, its truth values is varies from person to person. And it, now fourth one, it is black in color. Suppose this statement related to board. Suppose that board is black in color, then it is true. And about chalk, then it is false. So the truth value depends upon the situation. Such sentences are called as open sentences, and open sentence is not a statement. Now next part is exercise 1.1. It's a very simple part. Question number 1 from your textbook according to new syllabus. The question number 1 is, state which of the following sentences are statements. Justify your answer. In case of the statements, write down the truth value. First example is, 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. These are the numbers. There is no variable. So it is a statement, but it is false. Okay, then its truth value is F. Right. Now question number 2. X minus 3 is equal to 14. See, this is also linear equation. This is also equation, but x is variable. So it is open sentence. Hence, it is not a statement. Close the door. This is also not a statement. It is an command. Hence, it is not a statement. Now next one is, 0 is a complex number. Yes, it is a statement and it is true. Hence its truth value is T. Question number 5. Please get me breakfast. This is not a statement. It is a request type of sentence. Hence it is not a statement. Now another example, question number 6. Congruent triangles are similar. Yes, it is a statement and it is true. Hence its truth value is T. Question number 7, x square is equal to x. This is an open sentence. This is an open sentence and it is not a statement. Okay, it is not a statement. Now question number 8. A quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. Yes, it is a statement and which is true. Hence its truth value is T. Next one is question number 9. Do you like mathematics? Is not a statement. Okay, is not a statement. Now 10th, the sunset in the west. Correct. It is a statement and its truth value is true. All real numbers are whole numbers. It is a statement but which is false, because of set of real number is a superset of all number system except complex number. Set of complex number means whole number is subset of a real number. All whole numbers are real but all reals are not whole numbers. So it is false. Now next question is question number 12. Question number 12, it is nothing but, can you speak in Marathi? It is an interrogative sentence, hence it is not a statement. Now question number 13, x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 7. Yes, it is a statement and it is true or false depends on the given value of x. If you have to substitute x equal to 7 in LHS, means replace x by 7 and it satisfied RHS, means x equal to 7 satisfy this equation, then it is true, otherwise false. But see here, x equal to 7, that is 7 square is 49 minus 6 into 7, that is 42, and minus 7, that is 49 minus 49, it becomes 0, that is equal to RHS. So it is its truth value is true and it is denoted by T, capital T. Now next one is, the sum of cube root of unity is 0. It is a statement and its truth value is 3, that is capital T. You know omega is a cube root of unity, then its roots are 1 omega omega square and their addition is 0. 1 plus omega square is 0 and that is true. So next question is, that is extra question, state which of the following sentences or sentence are statements, justify your answer. In case of statement, write down their truth value. See, there are so many examples. 4 is an even numbers. Now these are the extra questions and these are very simple. If it is statement, then you have to write their truth value, either true or false, either T or F. Okay, these are for practice, just you practice it. It's very simple. Now next one is, close the door. The square of any real number is positive. Okay, it is black in color. Right, here answers are also given, just you verify your answers. Now it is a true or false, or it is a statement